So this pasta is going to be the Bowtie pasta. A little bit different than other times because I'm putting brown gravy in it. Brown mushroom gravy. Get your favorite brown mushroom gravy because this recipe is not how to make the brown gravy or plain mushroom sauce. It's only for these ingredients and the pasta. But I do have recipes for that also. And so everything goes in there. And while this is just simmering, I'm going to throw the bow ties into the water because all of this should be ready at the same time. Remember, a little salt in the water. You don't know how much salt to put in. I got a recipe for that too. And I'm only making 3 ounces. I want to cry, but you know what? 3 ounces is really enough. But if you really love pasta, you should make at least 4, 4.5. But this is just for my lunch. And then in a second, as soon as that sweats up a little, I'm going to add the spinach. I could add the spinach in the pasta when it's almost done, but for this recipe, I want to do it this way. Because I have the brown sauce heated in the back there, double boiled, if you want to see. So it's ready, that's double boiled. And now I'm going to add the spinach. I don't pick the stems, I don't mind eating the spinach. Popeye never wasted the stems on spinach, did he? Well, then he ate canned spinach, so this is much better for you. Okay, so no sense in watching this because all I'm doing is mixing it up. As soon as the spinach wilts a little, I'm going to shut that off. You have to season everything. So put a little salt on the spinach and a little pepper. I do have a pepper mill, but I think it's empty. Too bad. So that's ready to take the pasta. Remember, everything has to be seasoned. The pasta is already seasoned because it's in the water with a little salt. So it has a nice flavor. And then you have this. And this brown sauce is also seasoned. Let's finish this. Oh, remember, never wash off pasta. Never put oil in the water when cooking pasta. It's an old wives' tale. That's how they taught me to do it in around 1960. Then when I found out it wasn't necessary, I go, all those guys that taught me how to do it when I served my apprenticeship, they're stupid. Same thing with putting baking soda into water when you're making green vegetables. That's only because if you overcook them, they're going to stay green. So a shoemaker does that. Let's put the sauce in there. Give it a mix. See, that mushroom sauce was a little thin, which is good. You don't want thick, gluey sauce, so whenever you put it on the plate, like solidifies immediately. So there we go. Let's get it on a plate. And see how nice it looks. What should we use to get this up? Okay. That's done. Don't scrape the pan, it's non-stick. And 3 ounces I thought it wouldn't be enough to fill up a plate, but you know what? It's just the right amount for someone that just wants one portion. And actually, this is a lot, 3 ounces. I'm looking at it. You can get away with 2 ounces, really. And that's that. And now all we have to do is put a little grated Pecorino Romano cheese on it, which I love. And I am happy. And there you go. 1 plate full of pasta. Hope you enjoy it.